Hola, Cass, where are we?
Okay, we are at the Emperador here in Puerto Vallarta. This is the first time we've stayed at this hotel, and we've been here about 2 weeks, and we love it.
We do love it.
Yeah.
There's
Great.
the street view up to the Tropicana that we've stayed at before. Another spot up there we stayed at before. We basically love this area that's called the Romantic Zone. There's what's across the street. Pharmacias everywhere if you want. XOXO right down there for all your small needs and drink necessities. And here is walking into our great little spot.
Yeah, it's a nice little hotel, very quaint. People are super nice. Got a lot of cool artwork and decorations and all.
It's just got a cool Mexican feel.
Yeah.
We love it.
So
We love it. Not a 5-star resort that you can find anywhere in the world. It's just a really neat, not boutique, I guess, but slightly boutique-y.
yeah, it's a small boutique hotel.
Yeah. There's a reception. They do a great job. Down the steps is how you get to the restaurant, Si Senor, and down to the playa. Right out there it is. You're steps away. They've got internet and Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And that's really it of this little area.
Yeah.
We'll head down to the beach and down through Si Senor, and you can take a look at that stuff. Catch you in a little bit.
All right, we're going to head to the beach and show you the beach. And by the way, we're Cassie and Brian with Geiger Travel Unlimited. And as you may already know, we have basically sold everything we've owned so that we could retire and travel the world. So we're happy to have you with us.
All right, gang, we just traveled down the stairs, excuse me, and we go out through here to the playa. There's where you wash your sandals off. We can use that. Even though the signs don't say you can, you still can use it. And we've got to go through Si Senor, which is not owned by our hotel, but is attached to the hotel.
The hotel has a contract with the restaurant so that their patrons can actually use the shower and can also walk through the restaurant and use a portion of the beach chairs. So we'll show you that.
All right, we'll show you our small portion of the beach chairs. Here's the restaurant that is pretty poppin' usually. They have really good food. Prices are high, yeah, but it's a great spot. The guys are great. And there it is.
Hola.
Hola, buenos dias. Excuse me. Buenos dias. And down here, how you doing? Down there, you'll see the Si Senor sign. Down there to the pier. Over here, you go that way to La Palapa. Menus. It's a beautiful area. Cassie's headed down to the beach where the free chairs are for us. It's already getting fired up. Now.
Okay, so the contract between the hotel and the Si Senor Restaurante is we can utilize the chairs that would have the plastic tables. So some days there's only 2 sets of 2, like 4 chairs up. Some days there's more. Today it looks like there are 8 different chairs set up. The problem is that the blue chairs, they give you the crappiest of the chairs. So you basically will slide off with that cushion. They're just not comfortable at all and very difficult to sit in. We switched over to these chairs, which were a whole lot better. However, there's only 2 really good chairs. So if you get stuck, if you get here a little bit late or somebody else has the unbroken chairs, then you're stuck with a broken tan chair. So
you can almost say that they don't offer chairs.
No.
But if we were to use over here, we can use those?
Yes, you can use those. You do have to buy enough food to cover 1,000 pesos for 2 people. So
which is about $30 per person.
Per person. So if you're going to do that, if you're going to eat here every day and have a nice meal, it's kind of worth it. However, I don't think those chairs are all that comfortable either. But we don't eat that much, and we typically will buy like 1 meal here. If we eat here, we'll split a hamburger, so it's hardly anything. So we came up with a new solution, which actually worked way better for us.
And
We
that
got,
is Skinny's.
yeah, Skinny here, and he's coming towards us.
That's him right there.
Rinse these chairs out, and they're awesome. You get a great view of what's going on. These are all typically locals, or at least Mexican nationals who are vacationing here. So it's a super fun crowd, and he charges us
400 pesos.
Yeah, 400
And you
pesos.
can stay out there from, I think he sits up at 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock.
Yes.
It is a great deal.
Which is another thing with our chairs here, you can only stay till 3, which to me, the beach really gets hopping between 3 and 6. It's awesome here. It's all the locals come down, and the music's cranking, everything.
Especially right there.
Right, everything's
that fills
wonderful.
up.
So it's really hard to leave the beach at 3 o'clock. And these guys, the waiters, are awesome. Diego, and there's a bunch of them that are just great. They do cut us some slack. So sometimes one time I think they woke me up at like 3:30, or they kind of let us go beyond the 3 o'clock deadline.
Yeah.
But
if you're going to rent a chair, Lapa probably has the same pricing scheme, I imagine. And those are really nice chairs. The Eldorado down there, one more, also offers chairs for rent. I imagine they all have the same sort of financial requirement to purchase.
Yeah, so it's basically a beach club.
Yeah. All right. That's where we hang, and those are great seats.
Mexican Viagra, Mexican Power, Oyster Penty Rippers. Hello, Oyster Time, Puerto Vallarta, en México.
All right.
Mira. Wow! Oh my God! Very fresh, very good. Mira, some fresh, almost free. Yeah, for today.
Oh, that's even better.
Mira, wow.
Wow, look at that.
Delicatessen, Oyster Time. Spicy, amigo?
Yep, almost right here.
All right. Ostionzototes. Ostiones enormes. Spicy green, okay?
Spicy green.
Yeah. Mira. This is spicy green. Chimichurri? Chimichurri.
Chimichurri. I don't know
Mira,
what that is.
soy and Worcester sauce. And the garlic.
Yeah.
Y mango habanero. Habanero fruit mango. Y el de factory. Wow. And Sandy the sauce.
See. It looks that.
This is el ostión rompecalzón. Oyster time. Yeah.
200?
Yes, my friend. Thank you. I love you, baby. So I like it, money. Hasta la vista, baby.
Hasta la vista. Gracias.
And there's the stairwell and the alley up to our room on the 3rd floor. There is the view down the street from up here. And to our room, go down here, take a left. All nicely painted, looks always clean. And we'll knock on 306, and we'll see if anybody's home. Somebody's home.
Who is it? Oh, come
Well,
on
it's
in.
Cassie. Cassie, can we come in and take a look at your
Please.
spot?
Yes,
All
come check
right.
it out.
All right. Where should we start, Cass?
Well, let's look at the closet.
All righty.
Because I love the closet. This is the perfect scenario. You can put all your stuff. You have hang-up places. Plenty of hangers for once, so it's awesome.
Got a safe back there?
Got a nice safe. Everything's great.
Some drawers and extra storage down there.
Yep.
Storage way up top where I throw my stuff. Cassie's a little shorter, so she uses some of that.
Yep.
And we make it work. Off to the left of me is the bathroom, which is nicely equipped. It's got a shower, no tub, and it does not have a hair dryer. So we had to go to a local market and find a hair dryer. Now you can check our other videos for that. That was a fun experience.
Yes.
But they have the soap and shampoo.
It's not a 5-star hotel, but it's certainly awesome for us. We love it. It's probably a 3-star, but super comfortable, and no major problems.
Yeah, it's a Mexican style. It's not fancy. It's what we like.
Yes.
And there's pan around to this. There's a big mirror. We enjoy that. It's got a couple of dresser drawers down there on both sides. It does have a pretty good amount of electrical outlets that all work. Lighting is good. Bed is huge, and the bed is spectacular.
Yeah, it doesn't move at all. It's almost like one of those giant memory foam type.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
Super nice. Pillows are super nice. Go across here.
Nice.
Desk works great. Chair.
Desk, great drawers. You can put your stuff in.
Yep.
Yeah.
Huge TV. Smart TV. We've been able to watch DTU travel on it. Works great. Yep. Air conditioning is cooling us out of the joint. Works great. And
Very
we do
nice.
have a extra pull out bed here.
It's actually a trundle bed.
Yeah.
So it's a couch with super comfortable cushions. And I've been pulling that out and using the cushion to do my exercises and stuff.
And take naps. So off to the right is a 3/4-ish kind of refrigerator that works great. It does not have the water dispenser. That's okay. We get those big jugs and fill our own.
Yep.
But the refrigerator works great. What's the best part about this whole place, Cass?
Our kitchen. Come on.
And our kitchen is out here. Let me come over to this side. I'm going to close the door to keep the cold air in.
Yeah, so we've got a great space here, a nice sink. This is the toaster that we bought at the market, and they do provide a coffee maker, so that's great. Stove works great. Nice little storage area down below with
Yep.
all the things that you need, plates and
They
silverware.
supplied it.
Yep, they supply all that. We did go and buy some dish soap, and they've got a drainer, so we've been washing the dishes.
Yeah, great table out here.
Yeah.
A downfall is the fan for the air conditioners out here. It makes that a little bit warm right here. So we dry our stuff. It dries in about 4 minutes.
Right, and
Outlets out here.
it's great because Brian gets up a little earlier than me, like at 4 o'clock in the morning when it's dark out. So he comes and he turns on the light and he does whatever he does out here.
Yeah.
And doesn't wake me up. So it's nice.
Whole nother room. It's great. But the best part, even than this awesome kitchen, is this freaking view. That is the famous Los Muertos Pier, and we are right next to it. Actually, there's one hotel in between us, but we are right there. And it is a party scene every night of the week. Not too loud, but it's fun. It's fun to listen to what everybody's doing. They're carrying on.
Yep, periodically they have fireworks right straight ahead where the boat will shoot off the fireworks, and we get a great view.
That's where they had them last night.
Yep.
Down there to our right is Los Arcos. I think on most weekends they have it. And then the pirate ship that floats around has them every night at about 8:30. So keep your eyes posted and peeled.
Yep.
But that's down to the hotel zone. Out there, the river's down there. That's why there's a water discoloration. We've had some rain, so that brings some silt down. No big deal. Out through the end is Punta Mita. And the bay is what it is. It's big and it is beautiful.
Yeah, and over to the left where you're looking now is where we went to Canixto. The boats all leave from right at the beginning of where the mountains are, and they will take you all the way down to all the different little towns along the coast, and it's just awesome.
Southern beaches, all points south.
Yep.
And there we go. We'll take a look upstairs and see how that pans out of the alley on floor 5 and to this lovely space. Got a great seating area. It looks like they might have had a church service here or something. They got a little plunge pool over there that's running and working. Seating out here. Bathrooms right there. And then you walk out to the view that we saw down a couple floors. This is on floor 5. And you're out there. Nicely decorated. It's always clean. These gals are always cleaning. I don't think I've ever seen anything out of place in the whole property.
No. Yeah, the staff down at the front desk is great. Very friendly and nice and helpful. It's been really nice.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our hotel review. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, travel buddies.